Today was supposed to be a simple Spirit flight from Orlando to Fort Lauderdale, but somehow it turned out into the longest airport days ever. I missed my original flight, got stuck inside MCO for hours, took a random airport nap, walked around trying to survive the boredom, and somehow things still got worse. When I finally got on the plane, we ended up sitting there for almost an hour because the tower never cleared us for takeoff. So in this video, y'all basically experiencing my last Spirit airline flight. Jump on a piece of Spirit there. Wow. Well, walk on people right now. We are going to have a little emergency, so I have to go back a full idea cheap flight. Find a cheap flight right now about 4 o'clock, and then try reach 5. Have a, what do you call it there? 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock flight, so I try to catch and see how it is. So watch me on the journey and check in. You see me? You know leverage nation, we out here, man. Yeah, we're gonna see how that we get a Spirit flight, so that's it, man.
Police pull over somebody and another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. Make sure insurance and light and registration up to date.
Yeah, man.
There's a gun about the other man.
I know people are look on and see them in our. I say, why you doing, man? You're gone after this. Reach at the airport right now. Gas fuck up when I can't see it. Yeah, man. Try to make the flight quick and fast, you know? Jump on the plane.
Departure. Rally and me. Perfect. Now I can depart out of here.
Yeah, man.
Have to get out of here.
Gots to get out of here, man. Gots to.
So I come down, man. Jump on the iron bird, you know? Get back to peace and safe.
Jump on a piece of Spirit there.
Why?
Spirit rider, be a Spirit rider, someone.
Yo, see yellow there? You see Spirit up inside. Be a Spirit inside, half your see there. Be a Spirit inside.
Alright, bro, respect, you know.
Right, man.
Link up, you know. Off to it.
Leverageboss TV. You know,
Yeah, man.
JC the truth, Hookah Boss.
Yeah,
Then
man.
I MCO airport. Spirit! Yo, dog, I've been out of barefoot. Fresh from the party. Safe journey. Hear that for the
Yeah, man. We out.
Here.
We link. Spirit not get food. Let's see what it is. Spirit get food, I think so. The system like, man, for the first time, let's try it out and see what it's like. The cheap flight, you know? Yeah. So we are going to the front desk. Let's see where we are going right now. Oh, we go.
got together?
No.
Oh. Hi, good morning.
Good morning. I have a flight to Fort Lauderdale.
Get this Fort Lauderdale is your final destination. Come to
Yeah.
the TSNA, then I take a train, then you're gonna go to the get to my flight.
Yeah.
And when's your birthday?
August 4th, 19.
And no bags?
Ladies and
No,
gentlemen,
this.
may I have your attention, please? Only ticketed passengers with boarding passes are permitted through the security
There you go.
checkpoint.
You're at gate 5. You're immediate right, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're
Ladies and
welcome.
gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? Only ticketed passengers with boarding passes are permitted through the security
so-
checkpoints. Thank you for your cooperation.
Go through it right now. Go through security real quick.
Solamente pasajeros con boletos de embarque podrán pasar por los puntos de seguridad. Gracias por su cooperación. Su atención y damas y caballeros. Solamente pasajeros con boletos de embarque podrán pasar por los
How old
puntos
is
de
that?
seguridad. Gracias por su cooperación.
Oh, I dressed up Valeria yesterday. Mami, ¿qué dice tu puerta, tu sitio?
Yeah, so try to go through the gate right now, you know? Line long, so hopefully when we get through the gate and security or whatever, we link up. What's your line? Yeah, so unfortunately guys, we have good news and we have bad news. Good news is, well, the bad news is I missed the flight. Can't believe I missed the flight. Oh, can't believe it. I missed the flight. I missed out there in Fort Lauderdale by 7 o'clock. The good news is I get another
May I have your attention,
ticket
please? For security reasons,
without paying,
passengers must closely
and
control
it's
baggage
around 10,
or
so I'm going to
packages
reach
and the
Fort Lauderdale about
del vuelo 1476 con destino a Medellín, Colombia. Su vuelo
11
actual
o'clock,
pasó
but
al gate número 7. Su vuelo
all
fue
in
movido
all
para el
still,
gate número 7 nuevamente.
the
Los
line
pasajeros
was
del
so
vuelo
long.
1476 con destino a Medellín, Colombia.
The line
Su
was
vuelo
so
fue
long,
movido
so
para el gate número 7.
hopefully we'll just enjoy this experience and take it as a learning lesson. Although the good thing about it, at first the great lady at the front at the service desk was telling me that maybe the other flight was a 9, and I was thinking about 9 in the night, and I was thinking about hey, just take back a train, go down back, but just for last minute and me get the flight still and miss it. We don't make it if the line
Boarding call,
the line
American
with
Airlines
a
Flight 2165, service to Washington, D.C., Reagan National
the line
Airport.
with
American Airlines
security
Flight
or whatever, if the line ever
2165,
for long,
service to Washington,
I skip
Gate 22.
some people still, you know, I'm still end up late, although I try, but anyway, until next, right now, maybe I just try find somewhere and just I'll take all a quick nap and then maybe even stroll around this airport. Yeah, that matter, I stroll around the airport because I've never been in Orlando airport before. No, I've never been in Orlando airport before. So, no matter of fact, I was rushing, I couldn't even show you guys the shuttle that we took to come to the gates. Because I had to take a train sub shuttle to like go through like different gates, so not even get for the record because I'm in a rush, but yeah man, we're there same way. They same way, you know, and they're out here, so right, I don't know if they can see. They can't see nothing about the reflection. Can't see nothing about the reflection, but yeah, they are going to wait, man. See how down there, so. Yeah, down there, so. So, you know the leverage, man. That's one of them things there. And once thinking about it in the first, maybe I miss a flight, so you know. Yeah, because I never Jamaica. But home here also. So them have Mexican grill. Place name to go, they have Starbucks. Oh, where I come from? I come from 1 to 9, aisle 5 me there, whatever. So I don't know. What's the news? I know, waste some time and go and walk in so though. The first time in them mall. You remember man, I just say man all ago, you see my brain all want sleep. You know the airport, Orlando airport, so I just see go around a gate 10 to 19. We have ample amount of time to do anything still, so. Because that's about basically 4 hours, because right now at 6. Want to be exact 3 hours or something. I find a decent carpet so I can sleep. I'll take a seat. I want all a blanket. You know, everything blanket is supposed to be all expensive. So yeah, people, with us there in the airport, we are still see nice breakfast spot over here. So. But sure, can't bother with that. I don't know, me the money always walk with me. Yeah, then I just all around, so just number them 16, 17, 15, 12. I just nothing too tough around, so explore, though, because we never see it before, so a quick little exploration. So I pass to the Z zone good there. I have all of them breakfasting. Airport life in Orlando, man. Miss the flight. Anybody ever miss them flight? At least my one not bad like some people. Some people miss them flight. They have to wait all the whole day. Look on the bright side. It's not that far. Just an hour. This me are people. Right upon the ground or upon the thing there. My foot them tired, you know. You know, me I just walk out my foot them, burn them out, and just get extra tired. So me I sleep until probably I'll 8, you know. Maybe more than that. Who knows? But thinking about it, Leverage Nation. You know, say, look where I go on, you know, so. Thinking about it, you know, say, me not sleep in the last, my blanket. How much of them blanket, yeah? The price, you know, if I don't put the price at danger, you know. This me I talk about. Excuse me, would you know the price for the blankets?
Blanket?
Do you know how much? Gotta ask? Okay. Alright, thank you. Not everyone girl.
Yes. How are you doing? Good, how are you? I'm good.
Go on, look around us first. Daffy Duck, Mickey Mouse. Excuse me.
Yes.
How much for the small blankets?
$16.99. The big ones are $19.99.
Okay,
But
thanks.
the big one is fleece. The small one is cotton.
Okay.
So the fleece will keep you warmer.
Oh, okay. So
You
the team,
okay?
forget it. $16 for a little blanket. Whenever I could have find all that chair like one of them, beat it, something like my girl all do right there. So. My girl a steep out Ross, man. $20. The other one where I go now. Watch me, man. Watch me. I'm going to show you my experience, you know, so I want to just see where I go and I enjoy it, you see me? Let me get a spot, some tough it out, because man a man. Man not for use shit. Man for take cool. Any man who want blanket, you know them our blanket. Man for tough it out. Them people that pass in the fall down out, yeah. Yeah. But you saw empty and a big space over here, say, you know. No, I can't hold all just them things I talk about. Them can't go up, the seat them can't go up. Like that area. Here you have a whole heap of over here, so. Whole heap of empty space.
expect flight 1476 services to Benji, Red Air Staging,
It's about it, you know.
San Flores, Zapata, Ochoa, Lantona, Erica, Demaria, Menden, and Herrera.
It's about this. It's about it for. It's about it for over here, so. Outside to this side, you know. Yep. Outside to this side. You know leverage nation. We are trying to see what we can do. Our Grand League Grand Comptoir. I'm tired out myself here, man, because I tell you. Oh my God, I'm tired. Food me I buy with that the $16 right now. I feel like it's a total waste right now. All of them not stay so still now. But find something, just use the bag for my back and use that as a pillow. And just find my one spot and call today though. Yeah. Yeah man, I grung it man. Come like 1 to 19 of the work. I know what's thinking about it. Oh, do not enter terminals and bag and claims over there, so to that way there. So come like one of the worst spot them I want to know, you know. Search out all of the other area them over here for leverage nation, so. Sure. So I'm sure now I go on. And I'm going to maybe later I try. I'm not seeing enough food I want either. Maybe we'll try the Mexican grill thing, but that's later. So beverage nation just looking up fish right or something that's still on the ground, but you know, but one of them have a chair right next to me, but the ground more out space because them chair uncomfortable up. So that's where I'm going to beat it until maybe we feel like I get something for lunch, but or drink or whatever. So, you know, right now it's approximately 7:50. So right now, currently 9:22. Get up. Try to find something to drink or so. Maybe get a coffee. Yeah,
Welcome to Orlando Airport. All Spirit guests arriving.
About 9:45 car boat.
Claim them in baggage claim on level 2.
I still gotta go and wait for them many here, so. Main menu, bacon, egg and cheese, veggie burrito, potato, egg and cheese. French toast plate. Yeah. Wow, Lord, now just join this and get like all that. Get like a hot chocolate right or something, no. Something. That's like a box. So, in case you want me in there. and get it. Get our chocolate or something. And then go around and go boat. Wait for the flight. Hey, good morning. Can I just get a small, like, hot chocolate?
A small hot chocolate.
Yeah, and a croissant?
The butter croissant.
Huh?
The butter croissant.
The butter?
Yeah, can you say croissant?
Yeah.
This one, the middle one.
Yeah.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
What's your name?
Leverage.
1012.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Alright, you too. Yeah, I realize that my girl I work with the meta glasses then.
Happy day. Sound like movies, business, leverage. Have a
Thank you.
good day, guys. You too. Oh, leverage.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day.
You too. Yeah. I mean, so yeah, rush go around here so now and see where I go on. Car can't afford for me the second one. I mean, that would be a thing, eh? To over early till late to you never see nothing like that? Yes, yes, sir. Alright, that can go on.
You shut up.
See, dirty spirit plane. Look like it did there already. I don't know if you can see the wing or the tail or the something back around the saw black with the yellow bird there. Spirit them not waste time, the spirit them take off fast. But yeah man, no I'm not even kill the battery but show you a little experience so how me getting on and all that stuff or when me reaching a Fort Lauderdale. So people do the right thing. Always like, comment, share and subscribe. You know what thing go. Reach back around here so oh they know. Go at the front desk right there, so. So we are going, we check in, we don't know. With news people, we are walk down the aisle. Go on aisle, we'll be walking down to the plane. Good news. Finally they're on a plane right now. When last time you see me take a plane? Long time though. Alright. So yeah, we reached on the plane. And I get a horrible seat still. So eight seat. Good seating so far, you know. So yeah, about to take off on all them things there. And then land. So look like a smaller
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board
Spirit them.
Airlines. As you make your way down the cabin, EBNC is on your right, the ENF is on your left. Once you have located your seat, kindly step out of the aisle into your row to allow the others to pass. This will expedite the boarding process. A, B, and C is on your right, the ENF is on your left. This is a completely full flight, so please make sure you place small carry items underneath the seat in front of you. larger
Well,
ones
then
in the
I'm in a
overhead
car. I'm gonna tell some I can sit
all of
down
our
here and
luggage
car. The
we
girl
place
in
in your
my
leg
seat and I
compartment
sit down
will
here
be first
so
and rolls in last to
next
maximize
to me.
space. And take a moment to look at your feet. If your bag does not fit all the way underneath the seat in front of you, please place it in the overhead compartment. This aircraft has 3 lavatories on board, 1 in the forward, 2 in the aft, all equipped with a credit or debit card or tap. You can download the Spirit Airlines app before the boarding doors close. Wi-Fi is also available for purchase. You can connect right now, enable airplane mode, select Spirit Wi-Fi network, and go to spiritwifi.com. If you're going to be using your electronic devices, please make sure that they're on airplane mode with the wireless connection powered off.
So
And we ask
everything
that
for
you have
purpose,
headphones, and if you do not have
including
headphones,
water.
please mute your
So you
volume.
don't get none for spirit free for the spirit, but I guess that's where you get for cheap tickets
If
too.
you are sitting in emergency exit seat, please review your safety information card and seat
So,
back pocket. Simply
then
read
change
that
my
zero
seat
section criteria
to
and
12
functions on the
and
back of
you're
the
in a
card.
12 because the
Please
girl
let us know
officially
if you
take
need
my
to be
seat.
reseated.
Say,
Once
oh,
again,
I'm
if
not
you're
make that
using your
bother me.
electronic
Be a
device,
good
please make
sport
sure
and
you
I
have
make sure move.
headphones
Somebody just take
or
another
turn the volume off.
seat.
Thank you.
But you know how emergency room go already. Emergency seat, you get a bigger space anyway, so it's better. I know that too far car 8 and 12 in a row, but that's the right answer. So, but, okay. So that is it. Until I don't know what's the bathroom look, but I'm gonna show you the bathroom and then maybe take off bathroom, then land and reach. I hope we have a nice vlog. You know leverage nation. Mind you, I like the spirit now about to the other day. How about me take map and things? Thought I was gonna reach already. Right now, it's like, I don't know if you can see like, my phone shut off. 11:27. Basically, 11:27. We should post in there from. No, supposed to leave from. Basically, we're supposed to reach Fort Lauderdale hour right now. We're still on the runway because they say they never get a response from the tower. They might have slapped me, say. So yeah, one of the worst things so far. So they in the plane more than on the ground more than they're in the air with it. So let's see how this turn out. We'll check back in with you guys. Gonna look at bathroom is small. Alright, so bathroom toilet. It's very small. Excuse me.
And folks from the flight deck, captain speaking, just an update. In about 4 minutes from now, we're gonna start an engine and start taxiing towards the runway. Like I said, our estimated departure time is at 50. We cannot be late. If we're a minute late, then they won't let us depart. So we want to make sure that we're at the end of the runway with both engines started. So 4 more minutes, we're gonna probably start it. Thank you for your patience and cooperation. Appreciate it.
Disappointed. Anyways, get pissed off.
We will be getting ready to move on to the runway here in just a few moments. For those aren't up and down, go ahead and be making your way back to your seats. Ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Train tails in the upright lock position, dial armrest are fully loaded. 2 hours seats aside to one to go ahead and raise your one seat back open. If you've used any larger items in your overhead bin, take the time now. Go ahead and stow those items back up top. Again, like Kat mentioned, we cannot be late to the runway or it may be extended. Please ensure everyone is ready to go. Thank you.
Excuse me. You don't have any blankets on the plane?
No, I'm so sorry. Ben Marty's doing it.
See them can't recline. Not where is it? Was it worth it? I don't think they said something about this flight was worth it. I guess I get to pay for you reaching. That's the call.
Today we'd like to be the very first people to welcome you to Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Please remain seated until we are participating. The count turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. That is your only indication that it will be safe to get up and about in the cabin. Also be aware whenever there's ever been items tend to ship while in flight. If you require any special assistance today, such as a wheelchair, please wait until the end of the planning process. That's when we get best assistance, guys, with wheelchair services will be available. Once again, welcome to Fort Lauderdale. Your local time today is 12:35 p.m. If this is home, welcome home. You'll find all of your checked luggage at Carousel 3. If you now do Carousel 3, if this is your final destination.
We just started for there from Orlando. You will leverage. Check in and see what I'm going, you know. Yeah, because boy, I tell them. All day thing when it should be my fault I begin and stuff like China International for when I go through immigration, so we just go some bombs and just walk through right as so. Back to over there the part of it go. Something different. A long time I don't go through that the area there. Yeah, we walk through the place. So guys, make sure you like and share the video. Down with the plane ride. You know say, oh, I rate that one there already. It wasn't a good one. We're not playing basically, at least them not please. We're grateful to them that we're land safe, but otherwise make a wait too long.